The man who pleaded guilty to killing 5 people at the Capital Gazette almost 3 years ago was back in court today. His sentencing trial starts later this month. WJZ is live in Annapolis. Salvador Burnett has more on some of Jared Ramos's previous statements that his attorneys do not want the jury to see. Have a joy.
Hi, good afternoon, Vic. Well, Ramos, he's already pleaded guilty in this case, but the next phase will be the jury trial, and that will come up later this month. His attorneys, they want to shield some of his previous statements from the jurors. The judge agreed in some cases and disagreed in others. Here's more on the story.
Jared Ramos has already admitted to killing 5 people in a 2018 mass shooting in Annapolis at the Capital Gazette. Today, just weeks before his sentencing trial, his lawyers tried to limit what parts of a doctor's report the jurors would be allowed to see. But the judge went the other way, and jurors will get access to several pieces of Ramos's previous statements, like the fact that he acknowledged previous cases of animal cruelty, or that he admitted to a doctor that there is no defense to the crime that he committed. Ramos's previous references to Columbine, the Parkland shooting, and Oklahoma City bomber Timothy McVeigh will also be allowed. The judge indicated that his decision was a delicate balance, but the jurors' right to know what Ramos said in the past ultimately outweighed any concerns of unfairness. The next phase of the trial will determine if Ramos is criminally responsible. This is Maryland's version of an insanity case. Jury selection starts exactly 2 weeks from today. There were 300 people in the jury pool, but the judge said 6 have already been excused. One of them is a college student with a full load. Another person was a close friend of one of the victims, Wendy Winters, and a few others had travel plans and proof that they had already paid for it. That leaves more than 290 people who have to be whittled down to just 12 jurors and alternates.
And once again, the jury selection, it starts about 2 weeks from today, and then the trial starts a few days after that. Live in Annapolis, Joy Burnett for WJZ.